Look, she sees the water dripping. Oh my. Having a sip. She's having a drink.
Yeah.
Watch out, Emma. You're blocking the view of the kitty.
I can't see her.
She likes it. She likes having a bath. Our kitty's first bath time. Look at, watch her. See? She's gonna try to swim. Oh, now she wants to get out. Move. Sit down, kitty. It's okay. Try to get her used to baths while she's little.
Okay.
Put her down. She'll be okay.
Oh.
Having a drink. Oh!
The private room.
No, don't. Leave her. Don't splash, Emma. Get.
Okay.
No, you're just trying to be on the camera now. Don't.
Yeah.
You're splashing her.
What's she doing?
Making a shadow. She's looking at the shadow on the wall.
Ah.
She's not even trying to get out. She doesn't even care. See, she's watching her shadows.
Look at her shadow.
She likes it in there. Okay, look. I'm gonna finish recording the kitty. There's a towel in there. A baby towel. Find it.
Got it.
We're not gonna use soap on her. We'll just wash her like that. She'll be fine. No, a towel, Emma.
I can't see it.
She just keeps on getting back in. This is amazing.
I found it. I found it.
Okay. You gonna get out now, kitty?
Come on.
Just leave her. She's going back in. She wants to. Oh, no, she wants out. Get her out.